The zoo at night, a frozen globe, where prehistoric creatures grow. With every step, the path unwinds, 10,000 counting in my mind. The woolly mammoth, vast and still, a giant on a frozen hill. The sabre-toothed with the gleaming eyes, proud silent neath the winter skies. Adelaide, the gem city of Australia, lights up at night with all its paraphernalia. A T-Rex roars, a light sound show. The Brachiosaurus head bent low, and Thunderbirds on high wing beat make ghostly shadows at my feet. The kids all digging sandy pits, or patter baby dinos' wits. They pose by eggs, a photo chase, with frosty smiles on every face. Adelaide, the gem city of Australia, lights up at night with all its paraphernalia. Steam, the hot drinks pour, the scent of chocolate, something more, a warmth that cuts the chilly air. The winter snacks are everywhere. I walk the circuit round and round, this glowing frozen primal ground. 10,000 steps, my night complete, a journey through the ice age street. Adelaide, the gem city of Australia, lights up at night with all its paraphernalia.
Does it have a name?
This is a baby.
Round and round, this glowing frozen primal ground.